Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for angelfish. B for blue whale. C for clownfish. D for dolphin. E for eel. F for flying fish. G for giant squid. H for hammerhead shark. I for Indian starfish. J for jellyfish. K for killer whale. L for lobster. M for Moorish idol. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for pufferfish. Q for queen parrotfish. R for ray. S for seahorse. T for turtle. U for unicorn fish. V for viper fish. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. Y for yellow